Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's Awesome Connor here, and today, this is what I just got installed on my laptop. I got a RAM stick installed, and it used to be like a 4 gig RAM stick and a 2 gig RAM stick. Now it's a 4 and 4 to make 8 gigs of RAM. And this was the old, package of, like, I got the RAM in, and this was the 2 gig that just got taken out. Ugh, come on, get out of there. Yeah, that used to be the old RAM stick, which is pretty cool. I just got it taken out. I got, like, my gaming place set up. Got my new Razer Blade headset, which actually sounds really good than my freaking old crappy mic. And I got, like, my Battlefield 4 Razer Blade mouse. Got my laptop here. See here, you can't see it, but it used to say 6 gigs of RAM. Let's also go check that on the computer properties. The new hard drive I got upgraded. Let's see what else. Yeah, look at that. 8 gigs of RAM. Yeah, Windows 8.1. And yep, that's awesome. I'll be doing a gameplay test with, I don't know why the camera's blurring. The lid got taken out or something. And yeah, I got my Steam right here, and I got all these heavy games I can run, like Dead Rising 2, Modern Warfare 3, Grand Theft Auto. I'm gonna get Battlefield 4 here, and I got an Origins account. You can add me on Steam.